going to save work. So all I've done is, that's different to the normal Redbubble thing, is instead of optimizing, I've put it predominantly or default on greeting card, and then save work, and that's it. Hey guys, what's going on? Hamish here from Income Screen Surfers, bringing you another video about SEMRUSH and Redbubble. I'm super excited about this one, so let's just get straight into it. If you want to watch the video I released yesterday, which gives you a bit more detail on this SEMRUSH strategy, then click the card above now. This one is more specific. It's for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, etc. I'm going to try and make 2 designs in this video, but I'm also going to try and condense this video to make it a little bit shorter. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. I don't know what I just said. Okay, so SEMRUSH, domain overview, redbubble.com. Click on organic research. And then we click on pages. It's the exact same as the strategy that I showed you guys yesterday, but this time we click on advanced filters and we type in Valentine. I came up with this idea while I was researching something for a client. I was researching Cura for a client, and then I realized that you could also do it for this. So let's see what we've got here. BTS Valentine's, that's an interesting one. BTS is the K-pop band, I'm pretty sure. Nope, too many results, too much competition. My Bloody Valentine t-shirts, interesting. Let's have a quick look. Nope, too much competition. Loveless, no. Communist Valentine's Day cards. I don't really want just a card though, although Shrek, if you saw my video yesterday, you'll know that okay, yeah, 28 results. It's got a lot of potential. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is I am going to very quickly make a design for a Shrek Valentine's Day greeting card, and I'll be back once I'm uploading the product to Redbubble. Okay guys, so after a little bit of design work, this is what I came up with. It's using the same image that I used the other day, but I've added some text. I've added an overlay to make it look a little bit more green. So we grab the keywords from here, so Shrek Valentine's Day cards, etc. Copy that. I actually got this from this guy. I'm sorry, whoever this is. I'm stealing your name. Do we need to add these? So Shrek Valentine's Day card. Meme Valentine's Day card, ironic Valentine, funny Valentine cards. I'm not going to go too crazy with the tags. I don't really like doing that. Get in my swamp Valentine's Day card. Shrek Valentine's Day card, perfect. For those who want to have a jokey Valentine, whatever. The description doesn't matter. If people like the design, they'll buy it. I'm not going to go crazy with this. I'm just going to, just in case people want to buy it, I guess, I'm going to put it on some things, but the main one is obviously cards, which is here. So you need to go on edit, you need to click here. Cards. I'm going to put the markup up a little bit just so. Okay, perfect. Enabled, yes. Does that look good? Yes. Do we need to change it at all? Background color, maybe. Maybe a tiny bit green. I think that looks better. Yeah, we'll go with that. Whatever. I like that. Okay, the rest of them don't really matter that much. I'm just going to leave them on just in case. So we'll edit that. I think people do buy mugs for their loved ones for Valentine's Day. So I'll just in case. I kind of like the idea of having that on a clock. Water bottle, just in case. Again, may as well put it on a pin. Get my swamp, apply, whatever, that'll do. So one thing I'm going to do that's different, no, not photography, digital art. I'll put it on meme collection, and I'm going to put it on mainly gift card. Where is that? Greeting card, perfect. Is this mature content? No, I have the right, etc. And then we're going to save work. So all I've done is, that's different to the normal Redbubble thing, is instead of optimizing, I've put it predominantly or default on greeting card, and then save work, and that's it. So that was my first design. How would I go about this? Right, so I've got this Wikipedia page up, public holidays in the United States. These are the popular ones. I've checked through some of these. There's more competition than you might think for all of them, pretty much. I even checked St. Patrick's Day, a lot of competition. But if you keep going down on this Wikipedia page, this is just a list of public holidays in the United States. There are some which I think would work. So Mardi Gras, for example, would probably be quite a good one. I need to find one more design for this video. So I'm going to type in Mardi and then hyphen Gras. Be careful with hyphens. Obviously in URLs, it will always be a hyphen and non-found. Did I spell that wrong? Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. There we go. While I was on pause on the recorder, I cut my finger, so that's great. No, it doesn't look like a good one. Mardi Gras. Easter would probably be a good one, etc., etc. Basically, you can go through this list. I'm sure people with more patience than me can go through this list. I think Ramadan, or I don't know how to pronounce this, that one. Let's try Ramadan real quick. A little bit worried about what might come up, but let's see. Ramadan. Yeah, look, there are loads and loads of options here. What I suggest you guys do is you go through this entire list. I'm not going to go through this entire list today. But yeah, also one thing about this method, don't worry too much about the traffic. I would worry more about the keywords. The reason that you don't really have to worry about the traffic is that SEMRUsh calculates it every month, and if you think about it, it'll only be popular when the holiday is coming up. That's why Valentine's Day works a lot better than something like Easter or Mother's Day, because Mother's Day in the US is in May, which isn't for another 4 months, 5 months, but Valentine's Day is next month. So I hope this video is helpful for a lot of people. I'm going to keep releasing videos about how to use SEMRush to find winning designs, because I think it's an insanely powerful method, and I haven't seen any other YouTube videos about it, and I'm determined to show people the power of these SEO tools in regards to Redbubble and Redbubble designing. Now, I did promise that I would do one more design this video, so I'm going to put some effort in. I'm going to find a winning design, and I will be back when I found one. Okay, after a little bit of research, I found Groundhog Day, which is a holiday in the US in February, and it's also a film, and I like the look of Groundhog Day meme. There are 5 keywords, so let's click here, and there's only 39 results for Groundhog Day meme, which is pretty good. So I need to try and find a Groundhog Day meme, and I'll be back with a design as usual. Okay, they say that you learn something new every day. I saw the film Groundhog Day many years ago. I did not know that groundhog was the American word for a woodchuck, which is hilarious. I literally had no idea. God, no idea. Anyway, I'll be back with a design. So I needed to do some further research because I actually don't know what Groundhog Day is. 2nd of February, when the groundhog is said to come out of its hole at the end of hibernation, if the animal sees its shadow, i.e. the weather is sunny, it goes back into its hole, which portends 6 weeks more of winter weather. Ah, so it predicts the weather. That's how it predicts the weather. Right. Let's make a meme out of that idea. Okay guys, so as a British guy who has no idea about Groundhog Day, this is the design I came up with. Not really sure about it, but again, I'm a Brit, don't celebrate Groundhog Day, didn't even know what a groundhog was. So Groundhog Day meme, put me back in my hole. The tags, as usual, are from here. It's really annoying that you can't copy. You have to export from CSV. So what I'm going to do is you won't be able to see this. I'm just going on Notepad and I am copying everything, and I am just going to copy the actual keyword. So there's one, there's 2, 3. This isn't from the movie, film, but whatever. 4 and 5. Put me back in my whole Groundhog Day meme. Funny t-shirt. Whatever. Okay. I think it looks quite good. I like the design personally. Guys, look, let's do a quick summary of this process. You go on SEMRUSH, type in Redbubble, go on Pages, and then advanced filters, and then you can type in any holiday: Spanish, French, American, Australian. So Anzac Day, if you're in Australia, you could type in Anzac Day, for example, which is a very popular holiday in Australia and New Zealand, but nowhere else in the world as far as I know. Netherlands, you could type in what's the name of that weird thing that they do, Peter or something. They have like a holiday, Sinterklaas. You could type in Sinterklaas. In fact, let me just very quickly show you what I'm talking about. So if I go on Netherlands and I type in can I spell Sinterklaas? No, let me just find out how to spell it. Sinterklaas, like that. If I type in Sinterklaas here, so guys, you don't need to be Dutch to do this, okay? I'm not Dutch. I lived in the Netherlands for a few years, so I do know about this. Only 219 results, exactly. So you have the potential to appear on the top page with a good design. Yeah. That'll do it for this video, guys. I really hope that's helped. I am determined to show people this strategy of using SEO tools to find winning product designs on Redbubble. I'll see you in the next video, probably tomorrow. I'm going to do, I don't know, another video probably similar to this. Thanks and have a great day. Peace.